Hello, hello, hello everyone. Tonight, hope you're doing well. It has been a crazy day. We have been trying to plan a family vacation and it is hard getting everybody coordinated. So, I had a hard time figuring out what I was going to do because I didn't have very long. So I have decided to do a recap and show you the finished product from last night, and we will go over bow making that I did with these bows after we ended the live because of my glue gun dying on me. So I will teach you about that. In the meantime, I'm going to recap again what we used yesterday while I check to see if I'm live, and share this with my pages. So if you can hang on, that would be great. So we use this Your Life, Your Story, Write Well, Edit Often, and we use the arrow on that, but I will put it on the truck transfer that I use, so you can be looking at that while I go and check it out to see who's on. So let me get my phone on silent because I have kids keep texting me, so we're still trying to get some last minute things figured out on this. So let me see, it looks like I am live. So let me share this. If you're on with me, please like, share, and comment. I would love you to do that. The more people I can get interested in this will be great. It's a great company to work for, and there are so many cute new things in the new catalog. So I need to repost my link so everybody can look at that. The new catalog comes out on February 4th, and lots of cute new home decor farm items that you will just love decorating your home with. I'm excited to make new things and get things on my wall. I haven't hung much up yet, and I love things on my wall, so I'm excited to do that. Let's see where we're at here. Let me talk a minute about the kit that we carry. This is not quite the actual kit because the Christmas part isn't in there. There's a camping part in it right now. But also in the new catalog, there's a whole new kit that you get. The kit costs $99 and to join, and you get all the things in that kit. There's several chalk pastes, there's several transfers, there's an apron, there's paste, there's a squeegee, there's a couple of different boards and bases. So things for you to practice, or do your chalk items on and decorate your house with or whatever. And the cost is the $99, and then it's a $240 value. With that, you will have a $20 a month fee that comes out to pay for a website, but in return you get another transfer each month. In a 3-month period, you have to maintain $150. So you have to sell that much or buy that much. And then if you do that, you stay active. If not, you just drop out. You also get a one-time $50 off. And so that's a great option. If you like Couture and would like to purchase some products, you can go to chalkcouture.com/ArlenaPatton, and there you can purchase items off of my site. But if you also want a deal, then you can join my VIP group, and there I'm going to be running some specials to the group, and I ran some at Christmas time. I know I need to get some new ones. I'm waiting for the new catalog to come out so I can figure out what I want to get to run the specials with. So, but let me know if you'd like to join that VIP group. So, let me check to see who's on. I haven't checked on that yet. So, give me a second on that. If you're on, say hello. Hi, Nancy. I appreciate you liking and sharing. Hello, hello, hello. So, the projects last night didn't quite get done because my glue gun died on me. In fact, we'll recap the glue gun for a minute, and I'm gonna turn it on. So let me get this on the switcher view here, and I will put me in the we'll do the switcher here. I'm not doing it right. Sorry. Things get moved around on me, and then I'm trying to figure out where things are at. Hi, Erica. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. So, this is the Ryobi glue gun that my husband bought me, and it is run by a battery. So, you have a battery pack, and then you have this. And it comes with a standard glue tip that had a big nozzle. It was bigger than even some nozzles. But I found some options on Amazon that you could buy. And there's even a smaller point than this one. I don't know if you can see, but this is one of the finer points. And it's a lot longer because the other one ends about right after this plastic there, and it's cut off. But it also leaks quite a bit, and that was the one thing, is you have to have something here to have, because it was leaking. So I'm going to turn this on while we are on here tonight, and because we might use it at the end if I glue something on one of the bows or glue the bows together. So I'm going to turn it on. We'll see how long it takes to heat it up. It is very cool. It is about $100 by the time you get everything, and my husband's saying he's going to buy me another battery. So, because he wants to make certain it doesn't die. Maybe I didn't charge the battery long enough yesterday. So we'll put this back together. It just snaps together.